Question number 14. X, Y and Z were partners in a firm. Okay. X, Y and Z were partners in a firm. Z died on 31st May 2020. Z died on 31st May. Tell me children, after how many months?
2 months.
After 2 months. Very good. So we need to calculate profit for 2 months. His share of profit from the closure of the last accounting year till the date of death was to be calculated on the basis of the average of 3 completed years of profits before death. Profit for the years ended 31st March 18, 19, 20 were given 18, 19, 17. Calculate Z's share of profit till his death and pass a necessary journal entry for the same when there are different conditions which are given. 2 conditions are given. When profit sharing ratio of remaining partner does not change, profit sharing ratio of remaining partner changes, and new ratio being 3:2. Very good question children, very important question. You can put double tick. So let's start. So the ratio in this question is not given right now. So what we take? 1:1:1 equal. Okay. And first we will calculate first condition. Profit sharing ratio of remaining partner does not change. When profit sharing ratio does not change, it means X and Y share after the death of Z remains same 1:1. Okay. Let's calculate average profit 18, 19, 20. So let us calculate year ended 2018, 2019, 2020. Profit is given 18,000, 19,000, 17,000.
Total 54.
Total 54,000. We need average profit. So we divide by 3 year. So we get 18,000. This is the average profit. This average profit is needed to calculate Z's share. Let's calculate Z's share in profit.
6,000.
In 18,000, what is Z's share? 1/3. And we need to calculate for 2 months. So 2/12. So 6,000, 6 to the 12, 12 means 1,000. Clear? So 1,000 is Z's share of profit. So in first condition, when the partner are not changing their ratio, we give this profit by opening profit and loss suspense account. So profit and loss suspense account debited to Z's capital account 1,000. Being profit is credited to Z's capital account. This is case 1. But in case 2, there is some changes. In case 2, what is mentioned? The remaining partners change their ratio 3:2. So X and Y now they are changing their ratio 3:2. So what to do? We need to calculate sacrificing or gaining ratio. So let's calculate gaining ratio. New ratio minus old ratio. The new ratio of x is 3 by 5. The old ratio of x is 1 by 3. 5 3 ja 15. Let's take LCM. 5 1 ja 5. 3 3 ja 9. 9 minus 5. 4 by 15. Is that clear, children? Let's calculate for y also. Y new ratio is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3 old ratio. 5 3 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5. 3 2 ja 6. 6 minus 5 1 by 15. It means they are gaining in 4 is to 1. When they are gaining in 4 is to 1, what we do? Do we open profit and loss suspense account? No,
No, sir.
we do not open. We will give profit to Z to deceased partner in this gaining ratio. So what entry we pass? We pass simple X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit to Z's capital account. What is the profit of Z? We have computed 1000, isn't it? So this 1000 who will give to Z, X and Y in their gaining ratio 4 is to 1. 4 plus 1 5, 2, 200
Sir, 800.
and 800. Being profit of Z is credited in his capital account and debited in gaining ratio in existing partner's capital account. I hope this is clear to everyone, dear children. The treatment of goodwill in case of death of a partner and what entry we need to pass.